So my first factoring video with algebra tiles, I didn't do a whole lot of mathematical reasoning. I just showed you how to do it and got an answer. So now I'm prepared to give you a little bit more reasoning to go with my explanation. And so here we've got the polynomial x squared plus 4x minus 12, and I want to factor that trinomial using algebra tiles. So I've built the trinomial x squared plus 4x and then minus 12, so these are red for a negative. Now, when we do this, we're trying to make a rectangle on the inside and then find the length of the rectangle sides. Those will be the two binomial factors of this trinomial. So my x squared is going to go here in the top left corner, and my units are going to go in the bottom right corner. And what I didn't mention last time is that these units must go ahead and form a rectangle because we're not going to introduce any more units into the polynomial that we've built here. And so we have 12 of these units. And so the different ways we can make a rectangle with 12 are, and this is where factors of 12 come in, we can make a rectangle that is 3 by 4. We can make a rectangle that is 4 by 3. We can make a rectangle that is 6 by 2. Maybe we can. We can make a rectangle that is 2 by 6. And we can even make a rectangle that is 1 by 12 or 12 by 1. I won't do that one. But those are all the possibilities when our value for C is negative 12 or 12. All the different ways that we can make a rectangle would tell us all of our factors of 12. So I'm going to start with a 6 by 2 rectangle down here and show you why that's not going to work. We have positive 4x up here. And so there's no way that we could fill in this space right here since we're not introducing any more ones or units into the polynomial. So this is not going to work, okay? If I moved these up here and made a 4 by 3 rectangle, that's still not going to work because we have this space here that needs to be filled. Okay, so my next option is a 3 by 4 rectangle. Okay, now the only way we can introduce more x's to fill this space here is to introduce a zero pair. We have to introduce a negative x and a positive x together because these have a net value of 0 and it won't change the value of our trinomial. And so we could put a positive x here and a negative x here, but now we've got a problem again because we would need to fill that in and we would have all these extra units. Okay, we could try to introduce another pair, another zero pair, a positive and a negative x. Okay, let's see what happens now. I can move these up here, and it looks like that is going to work. And so, my two binomials are up here. It's going to be x plus 6, and going down the side, it's going to be x minus 2. Minus 2 because these are negative, plus 6 because these are positive. And so this trinomial then factors to x plus 6 times x minus 2.